Welcome, in front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I will show you how to enable power saving mode on the device. And jumping straight to it, there's actually two ways you can do it, and two different modes you can enable associated with power consumption. One would be by pulling the notification down and tap on the little pencil icon, and you will see this little ultra power saving mode icon, and what you can do is just hold it and drag it over here and let go, tap the arrow back. And as you can see now it's here. And if you tap on it, it will enable the ultra power saving mode. So it gives you a little warning because it is ultra. And as you can see, there's no background. You have only like the essential apps and barely anything else accessible. And if you want to leave it, you can tap this little exit icon right here. So I'm just gonna tap on it and tap on exit to leave it. Yeah, as you can see now we're back in normal. And also there's a normal one, which if you go into the settings like I just did, go into battery, it's right here, and you'll see also the ultra power saving mode and the normal power saving mode. So you can also see here the time remaining on the current one, which is just the normal mode. It's 10 hours and 10 minutes, and if we enable power saving mode it should change. So stop on, yep, and as you can see it's already jumping to 16, 18, 19, 20, so close to 22 hours actually. Whoa, okay, there it is, 22 hours. So it went from like 10 hours to 22 on the power saving mode, but you will sacrifice a little bit of how quick you get notifications and brightness of the display and a couple other things. But when it comes down to like battery, and if you're in a need of it, this is a fairly decent way to get some extra battery juice out of it. And once more, you can also enable the ultra power saving mode here as well, or here. So both of the options. And there's also some performance mode, which, let's see what it does. Performance mode, device growth. So this will increase the performance of the phone, which kind of does the exact opposite of power saving mode. So yeah, that is basically how you enable the power saving mode, or two of them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.